Today, we have been nominated for the 2022 3D Printing Industry Awards over at 3dprintingindustry.com. 2 awards, in fact. Number 1, Company of the Year, which frankly, I'm flabbergasted and honored. Thank you so much. Secondly, Value Added Reseller of the Year. So first off, thank you guys for nominating us in the first place. This is awesome. It's absolutely fantastic. But really, this is a testament to the continued dedication and hard work of our team here at Vision Miner, all our early adopters who already have the 22 IDEX, and every other customer who supported us over the last few years to get us where we are today. And on that note, for all the pre-orders, we got some big updates coming, some really cool content coming up very soon on the 22 IDEX, so stay tuned. Really cool stuff on the way. This year, we have done a ton of things. 2022 has been absolutely insane. We announced our first 3D printer, the 22 IDEX. We started SLS powder bed 3D printing with Sintra and their new Lisa X and their Lisa Pro printers. Really cool technology. Later this week, we've got an Aeon M2 Plus, the newest, latest edition with CE certification for Europe, showing up at our docks, so get ready for a ton of new content on that machine from our Canadian brethren up north. We've had new materials and new filaments coming out, new amazing composites like new versions of PEC and PPSCF that sounds like titanium when you drop it. Some incredible new materials have hit the market. And of course, what many of you have probably noticed, we've gone all out on 3D scanners and digitalization, from the structured light scanners to the laser scanners. It's been an incredible experience helping totally new types of companies expand their businesses and find new ways to use modern technology to help make them money. We're really here today because of you, our audience, our friends, our fans, our early adopters, our loyal customers, and everybody who keeps coming back because we keep giving back to you. At least that's what we try to do. Honestly, here at Vision Miner, we try to use the best technology that we can find, use it every day here in the shop, so that when you call because you bought it from us and you're trying to figure out a problem, we can actually fix it. And you can talk to somebody real on the phone too. That's a really big part, a big cornerstone of the way we run our business here at Vision Miner, to make sure you guys are getting what you need for your business so that you can make more money and provide for your families and get more food on the table and just thrive in this totally new industry of additive manufacturing, digitalization, and all that awesome stuff. Anyway, voting ends December 10th, so click the link down below and go vote in all the different categories. There's a bunch of different cool things, great companies, really cool innovations, and we're like at number 9 or question 9 or 10 and 18 or 19 or something. We're in there on both of them, but click the link below. You got till the 10th at midnight, I believe it's going to stop, so head on over, vote for us, and thank you again so much for watching, subscribing, enjoying our videos, and leaving comments down below with what you want to see in the next one. We got a ton of new content planned for December and 2023, so stay tuned. Love you guys. Have a positive rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.